Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you on how to register online for D.El.Ed course. This course is offered online by the NIOS. So you type in the website address nios.ac.in. In this homepage of the NIOS, you scroll down to this admission section. Click here. Then you go to admission vocational education, admission for vocational education courses. Then in this page, you go to admission and click on registration. In this registration, you click in regular vocational course. And then you scroll down to the bottom of this page. You will find here in the last menu this D.El.Ed course. You click here. Then you click on this D.El.Ed, proceed. Okay, now you have to fill out this form, the basic detail, the subject, study centers, then document upload and review. First step is you have to fill up this basic detail like name, father's name, mother's name, Aadhaar, then mobile number, email. Okay, let's fill up this form. Fill up here the Aadhaar number, then the mobile number. You should keep the one which is ready at hand. And the email also, it should be one which is functional, because the OTP will be sent both to a mobile number and to the email. Now, after filling up this mobile number and this email, you click on this generate OTP. Then you enter the OTP that is sent to your mobile number and email. Okay, after typing in the OTP both from mobile and from email, you submit here. You proceed to fill up this address detail. This house number. choose this state, this district, this correspondent address. You just check this box here, which is same as permanent address. Then you select this video as education level. You choose your board of exam. Okay, after filling up all this detail here, you should check here in this box, which is a declaration. Then you can go on to the next section.